Hey everyone, in this Instagram video let me show you how simply you can leave the group chat and also end the group chat. Tap on I button to manage your group and scroll down. You will get the leave chat and end chat. If you want to leave from any group chat, you won't receive message from this group unless someone adds you to the conversation. Apart from that, you can do mute message for this group rather leave. End chat for any group. All the group members will be removed from this group chat and they will still be able to view the chat history. I hope you have found this video helpful, so hit the like button and remember to subscribe my channel to provide more tech info for you guys, and turn on bell icon to notify when I release videos. Keep watching the latest videos which is screening now. Thank you for tuning in and have a nice day.